Okay, so here we have the circuit made with 10 resistors. So 5 1K resistors on the left branch, 5 1K resistors on the right branch. And notice that I have them in series. Also these ones in series. And I am joining this node to this node. So I'm applying here the voltage to the middle point. And the ground with this jumper, black jumper, I'm joining this last connection. Same connection, the last connection goes to ground. I have an LED just to show that we have 5 volts here. My power supply is indicating that voltage, sometimes 5.1, and this is going to be my voltmeter. So I'm going to measure. I have my negative side of the voltmeter, I have it tied to ground. So it is touching this ground. And I'm going to measure the voltage across each resistor so that you can see how I'm getting the voltage from here to here. So this voltage is equal to 1 volt. You can see it there. Now, the voltage for the second resistor, 2 volts. There it goes. For the third resistor, 3 volts. Okay. For the fourth resistor, 4 volts. And the last one, the power supply, is 5 volts. Okay. So I'm touching there the power supply. Okay. And I have the same voltages on the right side. Just let me show you the first one here. And it's also equal to 1.02. Okay. Now we will measure the differences, the different voltages. So on my circuit, I said that I want to measure VAB on the top. Okay, so it's going to be 0 volts. 4 volts on A minus 4 volts on B is 0 volts. So I'm going to attach my ground right here and my positive test probe to the other side, and I have practically, for practical term, we can say 0 volts or 13 millivolts, which is almost 0. Okay, now what is the voltage? VH, which is node A and node H. So node A is the second node on the right, on the left side. This one, node A. And this is node H. Okay. So it's 2 minus 1 is going to be equal to 1 volt. You see the voltage negative is because the voltage on the right side is higher. Okay. It's like a Wheatstone bridge. Now, if I increase this test point right there, which is C, the C dot, and the other one is H. So C and H is also the first one. Okay, so you can see it there, BEC, and BEC is 2 volts. Okay, and what is the next voltage? The last one, BAF. Okay, BAF. So I'm gonna put this on F, and E is the third resistor, this one. And according to my notes here, to my board, BAF is equal to, let me put it, BAF is 1, 2, 3, so it's 4 volts minus 2 volts. You see, right here I have 4 volts, and right there 2 volts. So 4 volts minus 2 volts is equal to 2 volts, and you have them there exactly. Okay, that's the end of the practice. I'm not measuring the current, but the current has to be equal to 1 milliamp. Okay. Thank you, and thank you for watching.